Before you write a single line of code, make sure you have these 6 documents ready. Most people skip this. Don't. Number 1, PRD, Product Requirements Doc. What you're building, what's in scope, what's not. Think of it as the blueprint for your entire idea. Number 2, App Flow. Every page, every click, every user journey. So the AI knows exactly how your app moves. Number 3, Tech Stack. And I mean specific, exact versions of every library, package, and API. No vague stuff. Number 4, Design Guidelines. Your colors, spacing, hex codes, the whole aesthetic. Because make it look nice is not a direction. Number 5, Backend Schema. Your database tables, columns, relationships, auth flows, all of it written down. Number 6, Implementation Plan. The step-by-step build order so your AI agent knows what to build first, second, third. Here's why this actually matters. These docs become your AI agent's knowledge base. The more context it has, the better it builds. Not sure how to write them? Use Claude to help you draft each one. Comment docs below and I'll send you the exact templates I use. Steal them, they're yours.